Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Pare, yung refresh kasi medyo madaming English yung i-presente. So, we'll try to mix it up, keep you alive, and let me just get a show of hands who knows the brand of Bayan. Nobody knows the brand of Bayan? Wala po may alam? Wala po kayong kakilala? Kakilala nagtatrabaho sa call center? Alam nyo, pinsan nyo, pamangkin nyo? Because we cover about 80% of the market for that one. Okay? And there was this release just late from Frost and Shelly Valley. And it was a good news for the Philippines, especially for Bayan, because we have garnered good market share out of that. And one of the things that we're going to discuss today is about your cloud, your way. Okay, I know for the last 2 days, it's been a lot of talk about this subscribing to a cloud, regardless if it's going to be a backup for your data center, or a recording, or probably getting some applications on Salesforce.com, things like that. No? But right now, I'm trying to change it a bit, change a bit of the discussion. I have a slide here. It's quite overwhelming, even for me. I intentionally put this slide just to give you what kind of breadth Avaya has in terms of providing a cloud type of story or capability into the market. We actually have, meron kami tinatawag na CCaaS or Contact Center as a Service. Meron kami tinatawag na UCaaS, Unified Communications as a Service. So we can also have it as an application based in the marketplace, or it's another story for us when we're talking about cloud-based on the data infrastructure side. So a lot of things. It's quite overwhelming. But I'll try to be very specific. Okay? The slides that I'm going to show to you in terms of solutions, what I'd like you to see is take a step back and see this kind of approach. Instead of subscribing into a service, why not build your own? Okay? Why not build your own? Because obviously, at the end of the day, we have to keep a balance between what can be outsourced into the cloud and what can be kept. And it's going to always be a struggle. And actually, at the end of the day, we don't know what's right or wrong. Unless something goes wrong. Pag nagkaroon naman kasi ng problema in outsource, and that's the time it's getting messy. But as long as it's running well, it's okay. Right? But the problem that we have now with sabihin na natin sa mga services in the cloud is they don't have an integration, interoperability with whatever systems we have, correct? They just offer it on the web, okay? And in Avaya's case, the cloud offerings would be probably a voice capability so that you can use the applications on the desktop, or a contact center capability that would enable you to set up a help desk within the corporation, things like that. Pero there's no really consideration of what you have. So instead of just taking something without consideration of the infrastructure we have, why don't we take a different approach? Let's build our own. Okay? Okay. Would it be nice if I can build a cloud, okay, in such a way that even if I have existing infrastructure in place? Infrastructure meaning for the purpose of our conversation is, sabihin na po natin meron tayong mga telephone systems in our store. Okay? You might have an Avaya here, you might have a Nortel there, you might have another brand there. It doesn't matter. Okay? Would it be nice if somehow I can provide a service to kind of overlay what I have, okay, and simplify the PBX networking? Right? I still get to use what I have, what is there. I don't mind. I will just put an overlay system that will somehow simplify the PBX networking for the diagram that I have in between my locations so that I can centrally manage them. Right? Because at the end of the day, especially for government institutions, I think it depends on who actually owns it for that entity. And the one that is sitting in for that institution, they will have their own way of understanding how to best deploy technology, right? So we will come into play that, we will come into situations wherein maraming equipment that is there. And you can just take them off and shove it away and put replace another system, right? Because probably that's just brand new, or it works well, or sabihin na natin, we just can't have the budget to replace it. So, given this type of cloud, private cloud thing, you can actually simplify it using this Oracle Cloud that we have. And you can now centralize services. Okay? Centralize services in a way that using this private cloud, instead of going to different locations, subscribing to different trunks for each and every location, we can actually consolidate them, okay, into a single trunk or a single service provider via SIP or by the traditional connectivity we have in the telcos, and we can have a consolidation that way, right? And we can also expose basic services like voice, video, and chat, so that it doesn't matter now what kind of PBX you have right below, or communications you have right below. We can now create a subset of standards that will be common to everybody. Right? It doesn't matter now for me if, for example, I'm sitting in Cebu and my communications network can only provide me voice, probably fax, to that extent. Right now, with my own private cloud, I can still use that PBX that we have deployed, and I can actually subscribe to the service, and I can have IM, chat, video, those kind of capabilities that are impacting my daily use within my enterprise. And one of the things that are good about having this private cloud is we now take away the dependencies that we have with the systems at this place. You can actually move those users away from this old equipment that you have, or outdated equipment that you have, and have these new users subscribe to the private cloud that you have. Very nice. Right? So therefore, I don't have to manage doing an upgrade just for me to particularly support a certain feature that only a subset of the organization will use. Right? Kasi normally what happens to IT, they go to you, can you provide me IM services? Can you provide me presence services? Can you provide me collaboration services? And IT goes like, we need an upgrade, we don't have this capability. We have that capability in Metro Manila, but we don't have it here in Cebu. We're going to probably do that next quarter. So it's very difficult for IT guys like us within this room to have that capability to deploy functionalities and feature sets that you can just deploy as if you were in your own cloud provider. Right? Now, next is okay. So, what is the value of having your own cloud? One, users can consume any services regardless of current location or device. Right? Wouldn't it be nice? Just imagine, for example, if you are a nationwide government institution. Okay? The normal play is headquarters gets to get best stuff, and other locations outside of Metro Manila gets what the budget will permit them. And so there's a disparity in terms of feature set, but the functionality and the expectations to perform for your institution will be the same. So what we're saying is, given this type of deployment, it doesn't matter now which location are you dropping this kind of services, because you're going to have your own cloud. Second, networking is simplified. Centralized data is realized, and resources are pulled across the entire enterprise. So, ibig sabihin nun is, even for example, you work on this system, and somebody provides you another client that's now similar to the ones that you have. You don't have to worry about it, because on the back end, it's going to be maintained as if they're one system. It's going to be the same diagram, it's going to be the same thing, how you dial, how you communicate, how you talk to other persons within the organization. Mainly because we're managing it from a more perspective and in the cloud. Third, this can be done in a multi-vendor environment. It doesn't really matter. The only prerequisite that we have is the system in place should be safe. Because that is the foundational technology that needs to be in place so that all of these technologies that I'm talking about can actually happen. Okay. As long as your system is SIP enabled, we can interoperate them and connect